What'd you plaster it? You going back to the all red theme, or what are we trying to do?
Yeah, bro, you know. I'm gonna redo the wrap. It's cracking.
Oh, over there. Alright. Oh, you hit my camera, man. You recommend plaster dipping again?
No.
Are you going to plaster dip again?
Then. No, I won't.
So what are we doing today, Barney? Well, you're already taking out the plaster dip off your vents. I guess we're going with a new look. What else? Roof wrap.
Take off the roof
coming
wrap.
off. Plaster dip coming off.
We're installing the...
Oh, not yet.
Eleanor.
Oh, I guess so. Barney, what is it?
Eleanor style louvers.
The Dreaweaa Eleanor Louvers right here. Should add a whole different look to the car. We've been telling Barney for months to install them, and he's just had them there chilling around. So here's a before, and we'll try to show you guys an after. I think it's gonna look badass once he puts them on. It's gonna give the car a completely different look than that it does right now. So far, what do you have on the car, Barney? There's lowering springs.
A shorty antenna from AutoZone.
They sold that also?
Yeah.
Corsa Extremes, tinted headlight covers right here, and that's it. But much more to come, right, Barney?
Much more.
Al ratillo. Maybe a supercharger somewhere around here, and we might, if daylight lets us, wheel spacers.
Wheel spacers.
Maybe. Barney wants to go kind of the look I have going on mine with that wide looking tire in the back. So we'll check it out. But right now, like I said, we're gonna start with removing this roof wrap on top. We're gonna go with the glossy red look right now, and then the louvers. We'll catch up with you guys in a bit. It's about 14 minutes, 15 minutes.
And that's bit and piece. Will it come off?
What?
In one single piece.
Oh.
3M.
Where? Oh, this is ready? Oh, that one's just ready then to put on. Well, just clean, más a limpiarlo y échale alcohol.
What kind of alcohol?
Hey, don't mess with Texas, man.
No, I did it enough to where it'll fall off in 4 months.
Vete. A ver, I'll try this.
Tú eres el...
A ver, dime cómo se ve de allá. Make sure everything's covered.
Ya está derechito.
It's covered? Le falta poquito. ¿Dónde? Pull it back.
Yeah.
You do the back. Huh? Is it on?
Más para arriba, ahí está.
Is it there?
Yeah.
¡Pah! Pinche ventana. Oh, we did put it backwards.
We did?
A ver, otro lado? Nah, yeah, it looks pretty good, man. Yeah, we unwrapped the roof wrap. Y I'll put it Instagram de todos. Hector, Guillermo, Barney.
Roof wrap delete.
Right here.
First mod. ¿Qué le das al roof?
Guillermo's is 550, and we got Hector's over there. Making sure I put everybody's Instagram down there. 5.0 EcoBoost, 5.0, and V6. Alright, it's prep with alcohol, Barney.
Yep. No, we just
do the
gotta-
honors.
Help me guide it, dude.
Just make sure it's back there in the window.
Ahí está.
Ahí está.
Pero
Alright, let me check the other side. Don't put all the way down yet.
the other side is like more or less.
Yeah, it's a little bit higher, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit higher.
Alright, place it down a little bit. I think it should be good there, man. As long as it's covering the window. Bien mal, dice. Yeah, ahora sí push down.
Too late to go back, bro.
After that, yeah.
No more going back. Boy.
Just push everywhere.
Ya quedó.
Done, sir.
Not bad, man. Looks pretty good.
Nomás le falta el quick detail. Y ya quedó.
Looks nice, dude.
Huh?
Looks good.
No miro ni madres ahora.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I was with Barney, Hector, and Memo. Memo has his EcoBoost, and Barney and Hector have their 5.0. All of them have plans for their cars, so just stay updated. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Keep up with their builds, man. We're always trying to find things to do and try to find best content for you guys. And it's always fun when you do stuff as a group, as friends. It just the time passes by faster and the job's a lot easier. We did do the unwrapping on Barney's hood, which wasn't that bad, wasn't that hard actually. We didn't use heat gun or anything, just pulled it raw. We also did the louvers, which made a huge difference on his car and the way it looks now. With the louvers, I think it makes Barney's car look so much better. It just looks so aggressive, so mean. So go check them out on Instagram. Give them a follow, show them some love. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless.